All right, today I'm gonna answer the question, how to find land for sale well below the market value. So one of the fastest, easiest ways you can start with that is you can go after people that are on something called the tax delinquent list, or maybe even the county held tax lien list. I started in Colorado Springs, El Paso County, Colorado. And really, why did I start is because I needed to make money quick in real estate so I can get out of the military. But if you're looking for land that you can buy well below market value, one of the best ways to start is find people with some sort of motivation. So you can find the tax delinquent list, and then you can scrub that list. You can actually take that list, everyone that's on there that are behind on their taxes, and you can figure out when the actual it's deed eligible. So Colorado is 3 years. So after you've been on that list for 3 years, you can lose your land. So that's one thing you can do. You can mail everyone that's a couple years on that list. Another way to stack that list for more motivation is you can figure out who's on that list about to hit 3 years deed eligible, as well as out of state. And if you work getting in touch with those people first, those are probably gonna be your highest and best source of energy. So I would mail those guys a postcard. If you want a copy of that postcard, you can go to thelandsharks.com/postcard. And what does the postcard say? It's gonna say, hey, my name's Brent. I'd like to buy your land at 123 Main Street. If you're interested in all cash fair price offer, call me or text me, God bless you. Another variation is you can actually send them a direct offer. I call that a land offer letter, or an LOL, because we laugh out loud because we just got a smoking hot deal under contract. But you need to know what the land's worth first. So it's a little harder to do that on the onesie twosies. You can send that postcard really quick. Another thing I recommend is getting that list and skip tracing that list. One of the fastest ways you can do that is go to batch leads Brent, batch leads Brent. Like, I got a batch of leads for you, and then Brent, batchleadsbrent.com. And you can get access to skip tracing software and start pulling lists today and then calling these people, because if they're 3 years, they're about to lose that land, you want to call them. In addition, mail them as well. I would do both. I call it a force multiplier, but that's how you find land well below discount. So there's other ways to do it. If you wanted to kind of do it a faster way, you can actually pull the entire county list and mail everyone. It's no guarantee that they'll be behind on taxes. Let me back up. You can go to the Land Sharks, and sharks is plural, the landsharkslist.com, thelandsharkslist.com, and you can get a 7-day free trial to a program called PropStream. This is a link directly to PropStream, and then you can go and pull a list of people that are out-of-state owners. Now, PropStream's not the best with the tax delinquent list, but you can do out-of-state owner to where they've owned the land for like 10 or more years. I do other videos on my YouTube channel to where I show how that is. I gotta be real careful with those videos because YouTube doesn't like me showing the actual private information. So maybe we can schedule a phone call if you want to know how to find those. Go to thelandsharks.com and schedule a call with me. But that's how we find land below market value. I hope this video was helpful for you. Check out my other videos. Also subscribe to this channel. Throw me a thumbs up. Appreciate it.